Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. This is Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support. Well, do you ever stare at your desktop when you're on your home screen? The icons look a little small. You're trying to figure out what program it is, and you think to yourself, "Man, it'd be great if I can make these bigger." Or you might be on the other hand where you're like, "These take up way too much room on my desktop. I'd like to make my icons a little bit smaller." Well, you're in good luck because we're going to talk about that for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. So it's a very simple, easy thing to do. On your home screen, when no applications are open, go ahead and right-click, and all you're going to do is hover over the word that says View. Once you're there, it's going to open another window that says Large, Medium, or Small Icons. All you're going to do is select which version you'd like to have with that. So if you'd like to have your icons a little bit bigger, a little bit more easier to read, go ahead and click Large, keep it Medium, or you can go to Small if you like to shrink them and clear up a little bit more space on your desktop. So I hope that helps you out with organizing, viewing, or making your icons a little bit smaller the next time you might be staring at your desktop. If you do have any other questions here at Colorado Computer Support, we're experts at what we do, and we can gladly help you out with any IT-related issues with your business. Feel free to reach out to us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Well, thanks for joining me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. We'll see you next time, and have a wonderful rest of your week. Thank you so much.